Is it happening? Are we going? It's happening. All right, exorcism. Baba, exorcism. Oh, I have to be quiet. It's kind of late. The baby's sleeping. 39. I'm not even halfway through this thing. Hard. I have yet to tackle a hard one. I'm not, sure as heck not going to do it now. Oh, what is this? Food chain. Generate the lyrics of the song I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed the Fly. While you could copy and paste the lyrics, it's much more interesting if you approach it algorithmically. Yeah, copying and pasting would be the fastest solution, though. I know an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. I know I swallowed a spider. All right. This is one of the common variants. This is called a cumulative song. All right, and food chain. It's called food chain? Oh, because she swallowed the spider. I get it. Test. Song burners 1 to equal expected. Song verse, new song. And then you can get a random verse from the song. Verses, you can ask for multiple verses. 1 and 2. So is this a what we call variadic function? Oh no, it's start and end. A variadic function, if you didn't know, is a function where you used to have to do arguments in JavaScript. This would work. This arguments would be a array-like thing. So you'd have to do, what was the thing you do to arguments? Because this was before array.from was invented. You do arguments.split on a, I think this was how you turn a array-like thing into an actual array. And that would give you all of the things that were passed in here, because it's variadic means you don't know how many parameters are going to get passed in. Nowadays, what you do is ... But that's not what it is. Verse, num. Verses, start, end. Cool. All right, now we're going to look at this thing and analyze it a bit. So we got, so we're going to have parts, obviously. Let's see. So, I know an old lady who swallowed a. I'm not thinking about this before solving it, so it's probably not going to go very well. A, and then, so spider, fly. Okay, so we have animals. This one actually seems fun. And animals, I think we're just going to like iterate through them. So we're going to do fly, spider, bird, cat, dog, goat, cow, horse. Cat, dog, goat, cow. I think horse is, the final thing is different. Not really. And squonk. Okay. And a horse. Very good. So the formula is, I know an old lady who swallowed a variable. I know an old lady who swallowed a variable. This is almost like an array of functions, which you say, okay, die. You take this, and then you do this plus this, and then you do bird to catch the spider, the spider to catch the fly. So it's like the first thing, bonk, with the thing here. Then this is always there, but the thing in between the start and the end the thing between the start and the end of the verse is based on what animal it is. So the animal maybe should be a key value. Fly is nothing. She swallowed the thing. Okay, so there's so each one has a thing, and then a phrase. So the spider has a phrase. The bird has a phrase. Wiggled and jiggled and tickled and cider is the same. It, that. Swallowed the bird to catch the spider. Swallowed the cat to catch the bird. Swallowed the bird to catch the spider. Oh man, this is tough. So the wriggled and jiggled and cider bit repeats. But the rest of them don't really have anything. It's just swallowed this to catch that. Swallowed this to catch that. Wriggled and jiggled and cider. And then swallowed the fly. Yeah, okay. Like this is actually a very, like we could go all out dynamic or we could go halfway there. All right, and then the dog phrase. To catch the, always put that in after the spider. And then ending. Goat, same. Cow, same. Horse, end. Okay, so I almost want to do like these three separately because it's going to be hard to get the... Oh, no, maybe not. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is each animal has a phrase with it. So if we're on spider, we use the spider phrase. If we're on bird, we use the bird phrase. Then we iterate backwards from that key. Say this is a key value pair. The key is the animal and the value is the phrase. We iterate back through the keys from the current key index, which works because in JavaScript, even though it's not stated in the spec, pretty much all engines will keep the keys in the same order. an insertion order for objects. Good to know. So then you just iterate through, catch the, unless it's catch the catch the When it's the spider, you add that. You have to add that. That's the only weird bit. And then you bust the ending. It's almost like this is the value of the fly key. Would that work? Yeah. And then the value of the horse is this. Ooh, I like this. This is the only bit that's like super kind of annoying. All right, let's try this. So this is going to be obj. And string. And horse, of course. Is this? She's dead, of course. Did I use double quotes here? Or did it auto format that for me? Because I thought I put a /n here. That's weird. All right, cow. Okay, fly. Let's try this and see how many bugs we run into. Spider. Yeah, spider. You got that bird. Cat. I know this is super entertaining watching me copy and paste strings. God, I hope nobody ever watches this. That would be, well, you know, it's an accurate representation of what software engineers have to do sometimes. And you gotta find the interesting bits in your own job. Okay, so now we say we still need start. I'll keep that separate. Const parts equals, I don't know why I'm calling it start. Lady swallowed a. Right, and then you plug in the animal. Then you find the animal, do the thing, iterate backwards through the keys. Should have done an array of objects. Be easier to iterate over. Easy change, easy change. Okay. Not objects. But I have to. Oh no, I just yeah, I'm thinking tuples. Yeah, and then because the number, if I want the first verse, I just do this one. Okay. Now after spider, I have to do this. Is there a way I can do this without breaking the pattern? Spider is here. Bird. Bird to catch the spider. No, there's no good way to do this. Unless I want to make this the key. And then this would be the exception instead of every time. Or I have to check when we're at spider and just manually add this every time. It's kind of annoying. You know, kind of annoying. And no period. Super annoying. Breaks the pattern. All right, let's do it. Verse number. So to get the verse number, squonk squonk, we go. Animals. -1. So to construct a verse. Oh, right, and then we could use this to get the rest. Okay, to construct a verse, we go to animals. Oh, if we're doing that, no, it's fine. Ooh, that is a beer. This is what happens when we code at 7:30, which is late for me, by the way. Animals blah blah blah. What am I trying to say? It's not a key value. It's a thing. Okay, to construct a verse, we do. It's going to be return. Start parts. Dot start plus. I don't like the plus. I should make it a function. It's fine. Plus. So. For I equals num is less than 0, num is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, num minus minus, sorry, you know what? Yeah, like that. Well, num minus minus, let result verse equals equal parts to start plus animals sub num minus 1 sub 0 verse plus equals so now I have an old lady who swallowed a thing. I hate the pluses so much. Can I just make it a function? Start. I mean, I could do even index, but I won't because that'd be bad. Start. Animal is going to be this. well, num minus minus. Verse plus equals animals. I know the lady who swallowed a blank. Who swallowed a fly. Oh. That's that one. I think. Let's make sure we got that. Just the blank to blank. Catch the blank. Did I do that correctly? She swallowed the blank to catch the blank. All lowercase. Cool. This is the spider bit. Yeah, like if B is spider. Can I just do that here? I like that. Okay. And then when num is 0, so when it's fly, we are going to do that one. No, that's good. We do want that one. Last iteration. Middle was spider and fly. Final is fly. And it's, oh, when it's the last one. So, okay, so first one. I know the lady swallowed a blank. Right, and then I want it's going to be a so let's see. Animal tagline is animals -1, right? And then we want the starting using the animal, and then we want the tagline that comes with it, and with a new line in between. So we get that. Then we iterate through the middle bits until we get to. Oh, we did the one -1, so we actually want. We actually want. Minus minus, maybe. I might need minus minus num here because I want it to actually evaluate before it happens. Let's do that. Maybe it doesn't matter. I always get that mixed up. Either way, say we're on dog. An old lady who swallowed a dog. What a hog to swallow a dog. She swallowed the A. Oh no, we don't want minus minus. Because we want to go here. We want to say she swallowed the A, B. So we want plus equals parts dot middle animal num 0 and then animal num minus 1 0. Swallow the bird and the dog. Next one, swallow the cat to get the birds. Next one, swallow the bird to catch the spider. The spider. Next one, follow the spider to catch the fly. And then once it's 0, shoot. So we actually can't do wall minus minus wall is greater than, well, num minus minus is greater than 2, 1, 2. Oh gosh, this is hurting my head. We'll try 2. It'll probably be off by 1. Because then we want to say, we always want to end with fly. Always end with fly. We got that. We always end with end. End with end. So I should have had this as end in the first place. It's fine. Okay. And I don't need that here. That's fine. Okay. So then hey, then we don't have to do a trailing /n. Love it. Let's run a test because I know this is definitely going to fail. Let's just walk through the first one. Verse 1. If verse is 1, it's going to be animal sub 0 is fly. And tagline, I think we do want tagline there. Oh no, I don't want tagline there. Whoa, that's noisy. So, crap. If I put tagline there, shoot. Oh no, tagline can be empty for that one. Sweet. Because I also have the new line now. While num minus minus, which would be 0, is greater than 2, it's not return thing. If num minus minus is 2, I think I want greater than 1 here. All right, let's see. what's wrong with this? So function, do, comma? Why is there a comma? There we go. Huh? I don't understand. Expected. They want a trailing new line? That must mean I'm not doing this correctly. They want a trailing new line? Really? Come on, man. That must mean I'm not doing this correctly. That means they want me to go all the way to 0 and use that tagline for the fly. But in order to use that tagline for the fly, I have to say, if 0, use tagline. Don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Wait, I'm not using tagline there. Oh, I'm using parts end. Yeah. All right. So, she swallowed the P to catch the S. What? Earlier said, irregular jig tickle insider /n. Irregular jig tickle insider /n. She swallowed the. There should be nothing here. Come on. Anola later swallow spider. Oh, what are we trying to get here? Swallow spider. She swallowed the spider, catch the fly. Ah, nope, I do want that one. Oh, the P to catch the S. Animal. Swallow the P to catch the S. P. What? What? Parts middle. A, B. B equals spider. She swallowed the A. Animal sub num. Sub-zero. Sub-zero. How is that a P or an S? Right? I'm tired. It's not clicking for me. P. 1. Animal sub 1. Animals. What is animal? Oh my god. Dude, this is why you don't drink beer while you code. Instantly the brain goes to shit. Oh, sorry. Extra new line. Anomaly, swallow fly, new line. Tagline, new line. If tagline is empty, this is making me upset. First tagline. Forget it. Forget it. We're doing this. Okay. No, we're keeping that. We're keeping that. We're taking it off here. We're killing the end. We took it away already. There is no end. We return verse. Why do I feel like... Reduce might be cleaner here. It's almost like I want this, and I always want this at the end, and then I want to shove everything else in between. This is fine. Yeah, I think that would be cleaner though. Alright, now I effed everything up. What's going on? Proud to be 0 of undefined. Right, I can't do that because I'm going with -1. Whoops. Undo all that. Okay, so we just have the problem of the extra new line. What was I saying? This would be nicer if it was this plus end. Like if it was let verse and then start, let's start, const start is the animal and the tagline, and if it's tagline, it's like tagline, it's like if like I only want the new line if tagline is there. How do I do that? How do I do that? Tagline. Or it's like I want tagline or so tagline's not there. No, I'm feeling tagline and tagline plus otherwise empty string. That feels like an ugly way to do it. Can I do the nah, it's fine. I want like the opposite of question equals. Is there something opposite of question equals? Or equal? What is or equal? Logical or assignment. Operator only assigns if X is falsy. So if we didn't find this, set it to empty string. I want the opposite of that. What is logical? What is this one? Only assigns if X is truthy. Yeah. That's what I want. Tagline and equal. So if it's there, it's gonna be If it's there, give it the thing. If it's not there, did I call this Tage line? This is not going well. I need to gotta rein it in here. Okay. Tack it on if it's there. If it's not there, you don't tack it on. You know what? This means it's not there. Undefined. Truthy. It's truthy even, right? It's truthy. So empty string is truthy. I think that's fine. Then, you know, give me the start plus the verse plus the end. Feels good. Feels good. That feels good. Feels bad though because it's not using template literals. No, template strings. Template strings are different than template literals, right? What's the difference? Oh, no, same thing. Thank you, MDN. All right, we done? Nope. Const. I'm not afraid of let. Does it work for everything? Is it magic? If you believe in magic. I didn't implement the other function, I know. So horse. Oh, we missed the horse exception. Yep. Okay. So I know an old lady who sold a 8 horse. So for that one, we go, here's a horse, here's the tagline. It's expecting a new line. So good, we got that. Num. So if, and then we go, versus empty string. So if num equals 8, if it's less than 8, do the thing. Otherwise, we're done. Come on, horse. Less than 7? No, less than 8. If it, oh, it is gonna be 8. If it's, yeah, so if it's less than 8, do this. Come on, horse. Oh, I still got parts.end in there. Damn it. Okay, if it equals 8. This is an exception we'll cut out early. Return. Start this. I don't like these exceptions. Okay, multiple verses. All right, so. Oh, this is gonna be. It's not gonna work because we have to start and end exceptions everywhere. I did not build this correctly. So, No, this should work. This should work. Because this gives me... Wait, how did they do this? I don't even understand what I just did. Song verse 8. Really? This passes? Wait, does this pass? Oh, yeah. It's... Okay, so this is telling me which one to start at and then iterate through all of them. It's not just get a verse. No, this is just a verse. Yeah. No, we're good. I think we can use this. For let I equals start, I is less than end, I plus plus, let versus equal versus plus equals I return versus, right? Something smells over here. Okay, so 1 and 2, I got this and I got 1 and I didn't get 2, else than or equal to, and I need plus new line. Hey, we did it! Wow! You know, I'm not too unhappy with this. I kind of want to look what it would look like if I don't like this duplicate bees. It's actually what I want is what I want is that. Ternary. Everything's still passing? We good, homie? We good. A and B, come on, man. What's the issue? Syntax error, expected token, comma. And then start, middle, end. I might inline this start. Yeah, what would this look like if this was an object with key value instead of tuples? So in that case, what I'd have to do is, because we're doing the number and we're decrementing the number, we would have to index the key by the number. That'd be annoying. So I think this should be an array. What if these were objects with animal tagline, right? Then I think that looks a lot better, because instead of I mean, we're not destructuring out a tuple. We could still destructure out the animal and tagline in the same way, just with curlies instead. But the nice thing about that would be here where instead of 0, it would be dot animal, right? Dot animal, and wherever it's 1. Oh yeah, we don't even use the 1, so it's not. Whatever, it's fine. Yeah, the sub-0 is I think my problem here. We could, oh my gosh, we could just as easily do something like this. Let's animal 1, animal 2, right? So we could do that, and then we don't have the sub-0. And it's a little clearer what's going on there, but it just feels a little misdirection-y, you know? So I'm not a super fan of that either. These could be consts. Yeah. Not ideal. I also don't like the loop with the -1. I never liked that. If you need 2, you know? Never liked that. Because you can't go to 0. I mean, you could go to 0, you could check for -1, you could tack the end on. Meh. It's fine. Alright. X submit. It worked. Adds food chain. Should we look at other people's stuff? Let's do it. Just real quick. I bet some people had some cool stuff on this one because it was fun. This is one where it's like, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like fun. Whoa. Song templates. A class. Oh, what? What? Okay, so he's got... Can I just... Static. Wow. Okay, so fly, middle, and spider, middle. Interesting. Okay, so he decided a less verbose version of, he just wrote more of it out. If 7 victim. Oh, that's dark. Phrase index equals victim. And all this while the plus equals this. Yeah, it's the tuple thing again. Yeah, he used tuples as well. Tuple does not have to be 2. It can be of any size as long as it's a fixed size. And all of these have 3, which means they're tuples. And then a little for loopy loop. Victims, yeah. Interesting solution. I kind of have trouble reading that syntax, but that's okay. Dude, tuple again. I'm surprised. I thought I'd be the only one doing tuples. Hold up. He really went the extra extent here. Pulled this out. I was thinking about doing this. Pulling out the wriggling and jiggling and somehow separating the if from the that. Helper functions for clarity. Range. hold on. I want to look at this one because this is good. This is really good. The tuple thing again. Get animal. Oh man. So to avoid the sub-0 and sub-1 in the code throughout, he wrote a function that just grabs 1 and 2. Wow, that is verbose. That's further than I am willing to go. It's so much indirection, right? Oh, it's fine though. No. I know latest slaughter. Bloop. Okay, that's the same thing I did. Write a function for the thing. To catch the... Okay, based on num, centered in the function, question mark spider, pulled out wriggled. Yeah, I could have pulled out wriggled. That's a good move. That's a nice move. First lines I know. Get animals. Number 1. If fly, horse includes return first lines. If... Oh, man, I have never done this, I don't think. I get it, but I don't think I've ever done this. It's like if you want to check the reverse of it includes, if you want to check if the animal is one of these. So it's saying, yeah, so if the next animal is a fly or a horse, kick out. Otherwise, return range. Reduce right. What? Where did he get reduce right from? Is that a thing? What the F? Actually, I think I've seen this before. The reduce right method applies the function against an accumulator and turn from right to left. So it does the same. Could get current value 4, 5. Yeah, I get it. So it's just reduce and starting at the end. And oh, I think I did a dot reverse dot reduce before in a couple others. So this is the same thing as dot reverse dot reverse dot reduce. Love it. Need to remember that one. Reduce right. Line verse plus swallow. First lines, animal line 0. Man, the interaction, I refactored the code and test to use functions instead of class since we're not managing state within the class. Functions are sufficient. This person seems very opinionated. This is what I would call a little bit too hipster code. It's kind of cool, it's kind of nice, but it goes beyond modifiability and maintainability and testability and just readability. Like, you know, it makes it he's using all the things you can do in JavaScript, not using a ton of lines, and it probably makes a ton of sense to him, but it's just too much. Did the ... too. He thought it was the same thing as me, variadic function. It's not variadic. You only need one for verse. Yeah. I mean, it's good. It shows off a lot of interesting JavaScript stuff. But I'm not a fan. Gotta be honest. I'm not a fan. It's too difficult to parse. Like, imagine coming in here and saying, okay, now I have to do an exception for dog or something like that. You'd be like, oh, okay. I kind of have to just like rethink everything about this, you know. It's just not very modifiable. He's got this range thing. All right. I mean, it's good. It's interesting. Yeah. Just print the whole thing out. Oh, so manual. @ sign. What? @ replace comma with at. What? Okay. And then replace at with comma again. Why? Lyrics does split that two string. Oh, he's just having fun with it. I see what's going on. He's just trying to be clever and have fun with it. Okay, yeah, some people just decided not to do this one. Alright, well, this was great. I'll see y'all tomorrow.